Socks and sandals.
I'm actually going to put this in the movie. Socks and sandals. So, what do you have to say about this, Ola? What do you think about your new style, socks and sandals?
Oh, it's amazing.
They're amazing, isn't they?
Really amazing.
And I like your new shorts. The fashion. This is the fashion week from Stavanger.
Yeah.
This is the latest Viking walking by here.
Yeah.
Socks and sandals seems to be in this year.
Don't forget.
Let's ask Gina. Do you have a comment about his socks and sandals?
Stupid. Ugly. Ugly shit. You ugly. Ole.
Ole. Back to you, Benno.
Thanks, Alex.
I'll be the last one standing. The last one standing. The last one standing. I'll be the last one standing. The last one standing.
England. The one on the bike. The bike.
What with the bike? Yeah, look at him.
So shout out Frank at the top of my voice.
No, don't do that.
Frank!
No, don't do that. He's gonna kill you.
Oh shit.
Stupid.
It's the first day in Norway. We're about to go farming. He's playing Pokemon Go, but yeah, we're about to go do some farming work. I said I'd help Alex, so yeah, and I'll show you all like the cows and yeah, catch the cow because it escaped. Oh, it's going back in now. Oh, they're chasing each other for a good 10 minutes. Oh, they're having a fight. Oh. No, she's not happy. She's not happy. She's off now. She's off. Nah, she ain't having any of this. Them two sort of made it up. All the cows are gathering around to have a quick gather, like watch. She's coming back now. Yeah. Oh, here we go. The whole crew's coming in now. So does this normally happen? No, never.
Stupid.